Hello, here's another AQA A-Level Physics multi-choice question from the particles topic. If you want to try this question yourself, pause the video now. If you got the answer C, well done. So before I start, I'm going to open up my data book at the correct page. And when I say correct page, I mean page 2, which has all the information on particles on it. Okay, so the decay of a neutral kaon is given by the equation. There's the equation. What are x and y? So just looking at this, I can see we've got different charged particles. Some particles are leptons and some particles are not leptons. So we know that charge has to be conserved in any interaction. That means the charge on the left-hand equation or the reactance is going to equal the charge on the right hand side, or the product. So let's have a look at the charge of each of these particles. Well, K plus is K0 means it has a charge of 0, and we know that a neutrino or an anti-electron neutrino also has a charge of 0. So that means if x and y plus this 0 from the neutrino are all together going to add up to 0 to equal the left hand side, then one of them needs to be positive, +1, and another one needs to be -1. So let's look down this row. We've got +1, -1, so that meets the charge criteria. Plus and negative, yeah. Plus and negative, yeah. Negative and plus, yep, absolutely fine. So all of these would conserve charge. The other thing that needs to be conserved is lepton number. So we can see the K0 is a meson, so it's not a lepton, so it has a lepton number of 0. An anti-electron neutrino has a lepton number of -1. So x and y, one of these is going to have to have a lepton number of 0, and one of them is going to have a lepton number of +1 in order that the right hand side lepton numbers will altogether add up to 0, equaling the left hand side's lepton number. Once again, the conservation of lepton number always occurs in every interaction. So let's have a look at these. So that's a positron or an anti-electron. That has a lepton number of -1, and an electron has a lepton number of +1. So that doesn't meet the +1 and 0 lepton number that we require. Mu plus, we can see that's a muon. That has a lepton number of -1, and an electron has a lepton number of +1. Pi plus, that's a pi meson. That has a lepton number of 0 because it's a meson, not a lepton. And an electron has a lepton number of +1. So that meets the criteria of 0 lepton number and +1 for those two unknown products. So the answer is C. I hope you found this useful. If you did, click on that subscribe button please, share with your friends, and maybe even hit the like button. Thank you for watching.